It's approximately 3.5 kilometers.
Amechoma.
3.5. There was blood, there was sweat, there was tears. So prepare to get dirty. Welcome back to Kalami. Today we are headed over to Longonot. Over the weather is a bit chilly, but that will not deter us from having fun. So let's get going. So we're just having a quick stopover at the Valley viewpoints. Is it called viewpoints?
Escarpment.
Or Rift Valley escarpment. So I'll just show you a clip of how the escarpment looks like from this place. Guys, we finally made it to the top of the crater after 1 hour 20 minutes. So that's approximately 3.5 kilometers. It has been steep. There was blood, there was sweat, there was tears. So right now we are going around the crater and we have to go up to that hill. I think that's the peak of the mountain, so I can't wait to get there, though I am a bit tired, but I'll just have to try and get there. So see you at the peak. Hi guys, we are on the final stretch and we are supposed to get to the peak, and the peak is right there. It is so steep there, but nevertheless I have to get to the top. I have to get to the peak, so let's keep going. I am in the middle of nowhere. climbing and going to the top of the mountain. So let's keep pushing. Guys, we are headed to the peak. It is tiresome, but we have to get there. Guys, they say the best view comes after the hardest climb, and indeed it is true. So we are finally at the peak of Mt.Longonot, which is 2,776 meters. Hi guys, we are now on the final stretch of our hike. We started the hike at 11 a.m. It's now 4 p.m. and it has been a long day. I have managed to get to go around the rim of the crater, and I have also gotten to the peak, and it was awesome. So I just have a few pointers for you this moment. So if you are planning to come for a hike at Longonot National Park, first of all, just eat. Please eat, because you need energy to take you through the climb and to take you down as well. Number 2, carry water. You need to hydrate as much as you can, because that climb is not a joke. Another pointer is that prepare yourself to get dirty. You are gonna get dirty because you will be walking throughout, and sometimes, especially when you are climbing down the mountain, there are points where you'll have to touch probably dust, and it will make you dirty. So prepare to get dirty. Like right now, I am super dirty, not because I didn't shower, but because I have been walking the entire time. So prepare to get dirty. Pointer number 3, just make sure you do a few exercises, probably a week prior or a month prior. Just make sure that you are in good shape so that you don't incur injuries, or maybe so that it can be easier for you to go up the mountain. Then another thing is that carry something that will boost your energy. You can have glucose, you can have probably energy bars or an energy drink. Just have something that will boost your energy and you'll be good to go. Guys, it has been an eventful day for me. I am so tired at this point, but all in all, it was totally worth it. And if asked, would I want to do this again? Probably yes, but when I'm in a better physical shape than I am right now. So that's it for today's video. Till next time, ciao ciao. But don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, remember to share this video with your friends as well, and I cannot wait to see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.